Hi friends, how are you? I'm Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD. Welcome to LeonsBD. I'm back with a new MS Word video, and in this video I'll show you how to use endnote and footnote in a same Word document. Okay, endnote and footnote are like side note. When authors need to be clarify something more like an equation or a theory, then they use footnote. Footnote are like this one or that one. Okay, so endnote placed at normally at the end of the document or at the end of the section, and footnote placed at the bottom of page or below text. Okay, and in this video I'll show you both how to use endnote and footnote in the same document. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, first we will see footnote. I'm placing my mouse pointer here, then I'll go to reference. This is the footnote section actually, so just click on here. Here footnotes is selected. Where you want to place your footnote, bottom of page or below text. So first we will see bottom of page, then below text. Okay, so I'm selecting bottom of page from here. Number format 1 to 3. From here you can change the number format as well. Okay, numbering continuous is selected by default. Here I have couple of options like restart each section or restart each page. If you select restart each page, it will be like maybe at the first page 1 to 3, at the second page again it will start from 1, at the third page again it will start from 1. That is actually restart each page. Okay, so apply changes to whole document is okay, then just click on insert and see at the bottom of page footnote has been added. So here I'll write, maybe here I have placed footnote at after CCTV camera, so here I'll disclose the full form of CCTV camera. Maybe here I'll write the full form of CCTV is closed circuit television. Okay, so our first footnote is done. Then we will see a second footnote. Maybe I'll place second footnote here. Again, just you can insert footnote from here, like just insert footnote, or you can insert footnote from here. Okay, I'll just click on here, insert footnote. See, second footnote has been added. Here I'll, for the bag detection, only school bag image was added and trained. As a result, it is unable to detect other bags. So here I will add footnote like only school bags will be detected by the system CCTV. Okay, it was actually my thesis project. Okay, so our footnote has been done. Now we will see the end note. Okay, suppose after this line, so it is a top research area and having a lots of future opportunities. Right after this line, I want to add a end note. Okay, I'll keep my mouse pointer here, then I'll go to reference, then from here footnote section, then I'll click on here. From here I'll select end note, and here I have two options like where you want to place your end note, end of section or end of document. If you select end of section, it will be placing here like where section ends. Okay, and if you select end of document, this end note will be placed at end of your document. Maybe your document is of 100 pages. At the 100 page, the end note will be available. Okay, so I'm selecting end of section. Then number format, from here you can select 1 to 3 ABC, lots of things. I'm selecting this one like asterisk plus. Okay, then custom mark, I will give asterisk here. Then numbering continuous, just click on insert. See, this is the asterisk mark, my end note placed here at the end of section. I'll write this project could be linked with IoT. Okay, so end note has been added. In this video we have seen both end note and footnote. This is our first footnote. See, this is our first footnote, this is our second footnote, and this is our first end note. So at the same document we have used endnote and footnote. Okay, here is our endnote, and at the bottom of page we will find our footnote. Mainly footnote is used in a document. Hopefully you have learned how to use endnote and footnote in a same document. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have any query, just comment in the comment section. I'll try to reply. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.